Hello guys, what's up? So today I'm gonna do a coding video after a long time. So basically my exams were going on and there were a couple of different things, so that's why I was not able to upload consistently. But now I'm going to upload every month. And today we are going to do basically the first part of C, because C is a very important language to get the concepts clear of C++, which is important for game development and a couple of different things like app development. So today we are going to start with the series of C. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is first let me minimize this window. So now you have to first make a new folder. If you're using Windows, you know how to do it. I'm on Mac, so just name it anything. I'll name it main, and now I'll just drag it into this Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is an IDE. You can download it on Google Chrome or your web browser. I'll leave a link in the description. So now let me tell you. So basically to activate C, you have to go to the extensions area and there will be, you can search C. Wait a minute, I don't have internet. You can search C, you will get this uh, package extension, and then you can just click on install, you'll get this, and then it will be activated. And now let's go to our files and click on this button and add main.c. Nice, and here you got your C file, and now we're going to type our first code in C. So let's do it. So first it's include hashtag include stdio.h, and then just type main and you'll get the IntelliSense main int main, and you can write this stuff, and then you can just delete this comment. This is a comment, and even you can write it without this stuff. This is just IntelliSense. And now we'll type our first code to print hello world, which is print f. Just like we have in Python, we have print, and this we have print f. And now we can type hello world, and now leave a semicolon, and there you have it, your first program in C. Now let me explain the stuff here, the basic syntax. So let me just close this terminal. So include stdoh. So this is a library which you need to print hello world. This is a basic library to run your code so that you can actually print this. So that's why you tell the computer to include this file stdio.h so that you can run this code. So there's nothing more you need to know about this. Just know that this is important to run your C code if you want to print this stuff or any other basic stuff. And then you have int main. This is our main function from where the program will be executed. This is our printf statement which I just typed. This is to display the statement on the window, and then we have, and these are inside these two brackets, curly brackets, which you should know, and return 0, which is like whenever you execute a program, you tell the computer to return something. But now in the main function, we just want this statement, and we just want to tell it that just return the statement and nothing else. So return 0. And this is the basic syntax of a C code, which is very similar to C++ code. And that's why C is the basic code you need to know for learning C++, which will be, you'll get a more clear understanding. And that's the reason why you should know C. Thank you. So guys, there I end the first part of the series. In the next part, we will learn about variables, and after that loops and all. So let's end this video guys. Bye.